Okay, he's going to fall down where it says I messed up last time, but we delete that, so we're not going to see that. Go for it. Execute yourself. I never get tired of seeing that. Hey, your leg is fucked up. Wanna do it again?
Fuck. Alright.
Wanna do it again? No, I'll film here. God, I hope not my mom or dad is coming home. Execute yourself.
Oh.
Face plant. Okay, comment, like, subscribe. He doesn't have a YouTube channel, but if he does, today I'll maybe post a link to this. Take it like a man.